Welcome to LushLoom. Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to fit roller blinds perfectly. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for some tips, this video will guide you step by step. Let's get started. Tools and materials needed. To fit your roller blinds, you will need measuring tape, pencil, drill and screws, wall plugs, level, screwdriver, your roller blind, and don't forget safety goggles and gloves to keep everything safe while working. Step 1. Measure your window. Start by measuring your window width and height accurately. Decide if you want an inside mount, fits inside the frame, or an outside mount, covers the frame. Accurate measurements are key for a perfect fit. Measure twice, cut once. Step 2. Mark the brackets. Next, mark the positions for the brackets. Use a level to make sure both sides are perfectly horizontal. This ensures your roller blind hangs straight and operates smoothly. Step 3. Install the brackets. Drill holes at your marked points and insert wall plugs. Then fix the brackets with screws. Make sure they are secure and aligned. Double-check the level before proceeding. A stable bracket is key for smooth blind operation. Step 4. Fit the roller blind. Insert the roller blind into the brackets carefully. Most blinds have a click or snap system, so make sure it's securely in place. Test the blind by rolling it up and down to ensure it operates smoothly and evenly. Step 5.
Final ajustamentos e outro.
Adjust the chain or cord so it hangs evenly. And there you have it. Your roller blinds are perfectly fitted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LushLoom for more home improvement tips and installation guides. Thanks for watching.